20x on top, okay? 2000.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Woo! 2x crazy time top slot! Welcome everybody! First of all, we gotta apply a 2x multiplier for the whole wheel. Stonks. And you have 15 seconds to choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Whatever lands in it will be your prize. There's a couple of beautiful doubles in the wheel as well. Let's see whether we catch any of them. If you don't know what flapper to choose, you can use that up there. Ladies and gentlemen, highest multiplier on the wheel now is 200x. Good luck!
This is the amount of money issued 650 to 1,966 euros.
Woo! 9,225 winners. First crazy time of the session. Moon with 25,000 euro top win. Special compliments Moon and betting time. Special compliments Team Yellow with a 200x. That was the highest multiplier on the wheel. No missed any more 50x top slots. Hodge is asking on anything or just crazy time. Good luck. Ooh, 2x and crazy time top slot. For me personally, no 50x top slots today, but I'm not sure about Ariana and Alina. You can try asking other players. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, 2x crazy time again. No way. No way we got it twice in one session. What? Let's go open that door. Mamma mia, come with me. Woo! Crazy time 2x top slot. Second time in a session, baby. So first of all, let's multiply the whole wheel 2 times. Yeehaw! And now, 15 seconds to choose your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. Whatever lands in it will be your prize. Remember, there's also a triple and a double on the wheel. If you don't know what flapper to choose, you can try using autopilot. Highest multiplier on the wheel, players, now is 400x. Good luck! Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 568,594 euros.
Woo! 6,820 winners on the second crazy time of the session. Max of 40,000 euro top win. Special compliments, Max. And stop, baby. Ain't no way, ain't no beep way, crazy time. Woo-hoo. Let's go. Hey yo, Captain Jack, hey yo, Captain Jack, that's the set X. Woo. So look at that. Look at that. So, decision time. 1,000x is going to be the highest one. Green, blue, yellow. Which one you going to choose? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to choose. I'm going to choose the green. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Woo!
This is the amount of money issued 1,610,897 euros.
Crazy! Now again, 13,516 winners, concerts up win 57,371 euro win.
Segment, guys. Are you the one who gave both 50x TOPSLOT? No, just one. Just the latest one. Oh, guys! Crazy time with a 3x! Like, what is going on today? What is this? Guys, we go again! Let's go. Yes, we are back, guys! Yes, indeed! And again, with a multiplier, ka-ching, ching. Okay, guys, bam. Do you see the tiny human? Yes, indeed, guys. That is me right there. Okay, multiplying everything by 3, guys. Okay, let's go, let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it is your time to shine. Choose your blue, the yellow. Choice is in your hands now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, highest multiplier 600x. Let's go. It is time to shine. Come on. Doubles and triples, more than welcome, guys. Doubles and triples, guys. Come on, come on, come on.
This is the amount of money issued 1,144,533 euros.
We roll. This is how we do it.
It's a British accent. I am so bad at accents. Good luck. Oh, I want that. We need that. And we got that. 20 excursion, let's go. Yeah. Can we all do that in the chat? Can we all just say yeah? Okay. Well, okay, 100x is the max multiplier. Let's slap 20x on top, okay? 2,000x is the max multi. Look at the board. We have 1,000x here as well. I shuffled a beautiful board up. Okay. Cool. Amazing. So, yeah, stops. You choose simple, you bam, shoot, then get big stuff. Because the board is so pretty that, like, no matter what you get, it's amazing. Choose, and yeah. But we got it. We got it. We talked about your hair extensions and that guy that you were texting before. Like, well, I did get.
This is the amount of money issued 1,680,848 euros.
82 of you got 2,000x, 344 of you got 1,000x, 6,312 winners here in total. Congratulations, Steph. Winner more than, well, almost 150,000 euro win for you. Anytime. That was beautiful.
Ready for my reply. So yes, a chat motivator said it's not a dating app, so let's just skip through those topics. No, thank you for the compliment. I'm an angel. Woo-hoo. Have some wings. So when my time will come, I'm gonna fly up the stage. Point of the 4x. My girl wants to party all the time. Party all the time. Paul, I love the sarcasm. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Coin flip for us to go. Let's go. So let's have the coin, 2 sides, red and a blue, blue and a red one. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. With what multipliers you're gonna see. Hello. Can I have you right now? Can I have your attention, please? So we have 50 and 4. Let's have the first on the top slot. 200 on the red. 16 on the blue. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 100,012 euros.
Six. We got it. Congratulations, 2-round winners. 1,143 of you bet to open 200x. Woohoo! Let's make some noise for that. Arno, take it with you. Say I want to fly as well. Arno, let's fly to the moon together. Cool. That was cool. Rock and roll. Love the vibe. I love the vibe. Arno, if I was a rich girl. Na 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 na.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.